are happy to welcome our alumni guests to share their journey with us. Please introduce about yourself and what subject or teacher inspired you the most.
Hi all, I am Srijani and I joined BVM for the batch 2023 to 2025. I spent 2 years in BVM for my class 11 and 12. My favorite teacher is Mr. Mohammad Sunoj and my favorite subject was political science. The most favorite thing about it was it contributed so much to the person I am today, and Sunoj sir inculcates habits of research and critical thinking for which we are very grateful, and it made me a better researcher and made me know what to search where, and a very good critical thinker who analyzes things and pick up things from the root. And he had been my mentor for those 2 years and made the person I am today.
What role did BVM play in your achievements?
BDM played a very crucial role in those achievements which I speak of very proudly today. BDM made me an established public speaker and enhanced my communication skills with a large number of audience, because I was an anchor in the primary events of BVM, let it be the annual day and even events outside school, which gave me a large amount of exposure, which helps me even today in my current career path, which is law, and an advocate needs good articulation and good abilities of speaking. And I'm very proud I worked 2 years here.